Hey everybody, today I am about 70 miles north of Los Angeles, California, near Ojai, California, and right next to me is my all-new Hyundai Nexo. Yes, you heard that right, it's mine. We did lease this vehicle for 3 years. This is the new Alex and Auto's long-term test vehicle, and this is going to replace our existing 2016 Soul EV. At this point, you're probably wondering a few things. Why didn't I get another Soul EV? The main reason that I didn't get another one of those is that it's been delayed. It's probably not happening until calendar year 2020, we're told, because of the worldwide battery shortage. The other thing that a lot of folks are asking is, why didn't I just keep the Model 3? Well, if you look at the back of this, you'll see the big reason that I didn't keep the Model 3, and that's this cargo area right back here. In all honesty, if the Model 3 had been a Model Y, I would have kept it because the Model 3 is an awful lot of fun. But it's just not as practical as the Nexo right here when it comes to cargo capacity because this is shaped like a crossover. The Nexo is a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. It's about the same size overall as the Hyundai Santa Fe. And one of the other reasons I got this was simply because it's a hydrogen vehicle. It seemed cool, and I really want to know what it's like to live with a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle for a few years. So we're going to put about 30,000 miles, 36,000 miles or so, but somewhere in that range over the next few years in this Nexo, and we'll be doing a few video series on how that's all coming. One of the big selling points for a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle like this is the overall range. We decided to buy this down here in Southern California rather than the Hyundai dealer that's right next to our office in San Jose. There are two dealers at the moment in California that will sell you or lease you a Nexo. One is in Los Angeles area. It's Keys Hyundai right down there. A big shout out to them for helping us get the lease all done for this particular vehicle. And the other one is Capital Hyundai in San Jose. But I chose not to buy this right next door because one of the big reasons to buy a hydrogen vehicle is if you like doing road trips. So we're going to be doing a road trip here. You'll see that video coming up over the next few days or so, driving from Los Angeles area up to Ojai, Ventura, Santa Barbara. We're then taking it inland a little bit in California, then pop back out on the coast, continue driving up 101. And that is definitely possible in a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, just like you would do in a gasoline vehicle. You fill this up, you drive 350, 360 miles, you then fill it up again. It takes about 5 minutes and you continue on your way. That means that compared to a battery electric vehicle, which definitely does require a little bit of adjustment in your daily routine, I've come to realize that with the ownership of our own Soul EV, the Nexo has a little bit less of an adjustment. It's a little bit more similar to owning a gasoline vehicle in that you fill it like a gasoline vehicle at a gas station. It takes about 5 minutes or so. You don't have to hang out at that gas station or that DC fast charge station for 45 minutes or an hour to get a completely full battery. So a long distance road trip in something like the Nexo or the Clarity is very different than in a Tesla. In a Tesla, you'd plug in your destination, it would calculate that all out for you. You'd stop at a supercharge station, maybe you'd have lunch there or do some shopping there. 45 minutes later, hop back in, drive another 200 miles and repeat the process. In this, you have a little bit less freedom in some ways because you don't have all those destination chargers. You can't just plug it in at someone's home to get a little bit of extra battery, but you do have the freedom in just going to that station, filling up in 5 minutes and continuing on your way. You also don't have to worry about installing a home charging station, which I definitely recommend for a lot of EV shoppers out there. So with all that out of the way, stay tuned because we will be having more reviews on this Hyundai Nexo coming up soon. And yes, in case you're wondering, we did lease this with our own money. This particular model, after taxes, is about $500 a month for this model, but it does include about $12,000 of hydrogen. So real world cost in this, cost of operation, is likely going to be lower than our current 2016 Soul EV because its lease price after taxes was around $416 or so, but we have to pay for the electricity. This one, we have to pay for the car, but we don't have to pay for the fuel during the term of the lease. Be sure and hit that subscribe button down there at the bottom of your screen. If you haven't already done so, be sure and find us over at facebook.com/AlexandAutos, where we will be posting updates on our road trip back north. And again, stay tuned for those videos coming up soon. I'll see you later.